We have an update regarding a crash at HAZEL, Minnesota today. It's just south of Thief River Falls on the east-west road to the casino, according to his girlfriend Danielle Rosine. Ryan Matthew James Thompson was driving a pickup pulling another vehicle loaded on a trailer when he ran into a train at this crossing in very heavy fog. The vehicles wound up in the ditch at the crossing. Thompson received non-life-threatening injuries. A passenger, their son Riker, was not injured. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.